Hello friends, in this video we're gonna learn how to verify our account in PointPay exchange. Click on user menu and in the identification, choose the country of residence plus the document that you want to upload, which you can choose between ID card or passport. We choose ID card. In this part, we have to upload our document, which is ID card. Pay attention, you have to upload the color photo of the document and ensure that the document is in a frame and clearly visible. Also with good lighting and without a glare. To upload the document, you must click on this section and upload a front side of your ID card. After uploading the photo, click on continue. And you must upload a back side of your ID card. Then click on continue. Then you enter your first and last name. If you have a middle name, you enter it here, plus gender, date of birth, and if you have a political activity, you must answer it here. Click on continue. For the next part, you have to take a selfie to prove your identity. Click on I'm ready and take a selfie with the device. For the next part, you enter the city that you live plus the street and details such as house number, apartment, and building. After entering the details, click on continue. Check the boxes to agree to the terms and conditions of the website and click on continue. And to check our verification status, we click on user menu and in this section, we can see that our account was verified in the zinc level. And to level up our account, we have to earn points by having activity in the website. Good luck.